Ma yanto asana yin create yen pages no. Nti baba pages no so wo ho na akọ add new. Bribi say ba ya close. Ma me try pages no. We mu ni pages no. Blog, privacy policy, about us, contact us, anyway ni nyina no. We mu na eye pages no. All right. Nti bribi say na yen se ye create no. Nti yen ko na yen create yen contact us. All right. Nti all the contact details everywhere say hey Bia, for any information contact me on we a sample and I may every contact details be our per se or they call website next nanko for contact you through it and patch provided or I say make sure send you obey you see contact form now or the ISR process we say now so be access or contact form now when your message you know will email okay for now no yen fabric be say in fan honomo. All right, it is say we okay na we me publish. Yen go back na yen to aso. Na yen san ko add new. Your pages in mu. Na yen ko about us. It's about us now. About our website now, about adekodi awo ye no. One we name into betro e de ahye honomo. Okay? Na wa publish it. Because previously say, ope say o create Google AdSense website. Na say o ye approved that. There are some pages be honomo a must say e was say o create about us, contact us, privacy policy and a disclaimer. Nti yen create yen disclaimer page no. Disclaimer. Na obey na wa throw disclaimer no. Okay, nti no me throw crampo or sa video nim say call Google na a search for privacy policy generator. So nti o de wo company name ne be ha say we de no eye Mr. Wood na o de o website name no. Website name is the same thing, Mr. Wood. Website link you know mrwoodnews.com. We are now call next. Now fail bisa say, do you use cookies on your website? Yes, because I've been installing cookies. Do you show advertisement through Google AdSense on your website? Yes, because if you say yeah, Google AdSense approved. Make sure say any way in your do you show advertisement? Okay, we so yen say yes. All right, now yen next. Now yen choose yen country no Ghana. Now yen fa yen email no and show. Okay. Mr. Wood News at gmail at sign away at gmail.com. All right, and to generate my privacy policy. Okay, good. A generate now me a copy text to clipboard in so where we go back to a WordPress site in so. Okay, my privacy ni na ye nti ma yen call back answer. Okay. Ye pe kwa okay o de ye. Nti yen call edit privacy policy. Yen select we na yen delete. Yen we in free ho. Na yen paste the generate no ha say. Etoda aya na mpese me say we na privacy policy if you have my na privacy policy now the disclaimer and can help. Okay, we are publish. Say about us, contact us, privacy policy. Okay. You go back to Google. I'm sure they say disclaimer. Okay, what they simply you go back to Google. Now you search for disclaimer generator. Disclaimer generator. Even here. And see generate a disclaimer template for websites. Okay, if I say disclaimer generator. Good. I sound about the same website so. It's the answer process in this way. Or company name. For company name this show Mr. Wood once again. Now okay, I have some Mr. Wood now. Okay, Mr. Wood news.com. Mr. Wood News. Okay, next. Country, Ghana. Email no ye Mr. woodnews@gmail.com. Now Emia generate my disclaimer. Okay, now I sound copy. And go back to the pages now. Okay, you call add new. Now you fambra anyway. Enter title and show disclaimer. Way this cinema. We a complete beginner's course and I no say uyo be a kelima say uyo be a when you see WordPress da on create website da obetumi a follow sa principle we na sa procedures we say na the create with the ye ni nyane say ye create pages na ye create pages for our website pages na ye create no ehon ehia pa say ye de be approve your website no e Google AdSense okay but me create any other page bia wo person create bia ntia no ho adwuma na ye okay me pasting function has say all right when I am person deleting our disclaimer we me pesa ya me hu we also power to me delete we all right nti we no wa call publish that's all you go back and I good. Into no, your about us, contact us, disclaimer, privacy policy. Some pages we say are very essential. Into yes, sir, you create a all right. Your creative pages need my young site name. Your person will view a website now. Or the case and it website necessary. Or the two site name so I don't so much has a visit site. No me answer. Good. Your website into pages need creating in about us, contact us, disclaimer and policy. Privacy policy, okay. Any content be also because and publish it. Say, all right. And go back. One thing is also a creative categories. I mean, sure categories. Categories no any site na we create no content na be publish no a den na a fall under a fall under jobs, a fall under finance, and tech. And our health, and our entertainment, general news, sports, and our dear in a foreign under, and only a friend say categories, okay. Over check the way, now all the creative war categories, in Tianco creative and categories. Over point cares I need to post. No one categories ever has no one click on it. No actual category, any I shall say, a be a general news, okay. No one me add new, and I better have say no. Now be entertainment. Now when me also be music. So music. No when me also be you find say videos. Now when me also be foreign news. You fast sports and sports. Na yemfa politics and fan ho na we miasa okay so we say what che e bia sports nim na wunya e bia foreign sports, local sports, premier league ana wunya sub categories a certain category bi mo a obi any say me first sports ni example e bia foreign sports so Oshe parent category na umia so a ni umia sports ni so na wako add new onsa akoshe sports na se okay sanity all right ya categories na enso ewie yensan view your site no na yenhwe okay categories no ye hu ye because assign a menu to it okay intino ma yenhwe next thing na betimi asan so aye ma mention o send ye the creative post first blog post send ye creative na okay until here baby a material post now I call add new all the title and the best has say how to post on via WordPress okay all right and see I have said about share content now this and see follow this tutorial to enable you to make a post on the WordPress website for free okay see you better to be no blah the best of trivia now watch we okay nti obefa categories no they are three a dena e fall under a bia general news no afa general news no na yaba tax ni keyword e wo article na wo tro ni mu nti we keyword e wo mu no e WordPress okay now we enter and I say comma e be separate no we are featured image I'm sure featured image almost as a post we are obi picture da ho nipa na ye kind of one 7 picture ni we na friend of featured image no okay ampon picture the ho 7 ni okay nti featured image no saa na tie nti o click on featured image ni so na wa click on select files nti yɛmfa ne sɛ yɛ use saa YouTube for image ni ade ayɛ o double click so bɛba ha say na wa click on select obetumi de edin ɛde ahyɛ hɔ sɛ bi a YouTube logo okay na wa click on select say see ho say o upload files be the dana so person we use no back as a featured image we hu no media files na say okay instead of say we call upload files now call select it from your computer no na we hu no media files and as a media library I say simple okay good and see we are in area then you are good to go no me publish good you make your first post your site and so until betumi view post no this is how it looks. Don't get bored because I feel na your best thing no almost I say theme we in enye fe weboa enye ofesa weboa your best theme no e man how cra most of the settings of hono ma ebe ye nti koso ana edimechi. Don't forget to say subscribe to channel no hit on the notification bell no na I get you notified de bia na the video ebeto say I no like video no na boa a motivate ye say ade na ye no we ni je ho. All right nti no ma yen go back to your WordPress website no okay nti afa busia ye be install theme appearance of the website no send the website no be loki attract crowd no eno any theme no nti yen kwasesa yen theme no hover your mouse cursor on the theme on the appearance now I click on themes. WordPress the default theme into there now you use 2023 or 2021 2022 okay when you na honi emfa so nti yen delete it mia can't show mia theme details and so na it delete it has a send a yen site no ba ha okay na esanso mia we say so na delete all right jaiwe ohosa afi ko add new if I just say you ban themes you got a lot of themes or hono more a free and a bin so hono more a for sale okay and say all start here obetimi use free one be now all the here website now and now say opa about top premium theme now and also no all the aye or website now for now no my use free one be a chain or match up baby over metro premium themes ni bi na wait me atose oni je ho sadia most of the times I have free one na you see. All right yen fa say ye blogging nti e bia news na ye pay say news website nti ye be search aha say news news na wa hwehwe themes na apie nim also be brave afia aha say nti wa hwehwe mu a de na appearance no eye ofe no na wafa me person may try a particular theme we say news app nti ma search any okay na we install after activate it done me get started with news app and so call useful plugins you know ohia sa plugins we say na they are adwuma some akacho say plugins across the peripherals eboa eneme bi eboa ma website na eye adwuma sene opese oye no okay nti ko install and then activate or say here WooCommerce no eye for e-commerce yenye e-commerce website nti we need hu here ma yen install Elementor no yen ko demo content na yen hwa de o but first of all no ma yen view yen site na yen hwe sene na appearance no sitie ansa na ya to aso maybe no new tab mu okay the say the site now already a look it nice okay so on say appearance no asasa good it we say your content bebre e wo so a kabon say ni nyina be display bebre e wo ha say all right yen go back na yen import demo no the most easiest way a obetimi di a creative website because one creative website na da hodeda okay every setup da into the be here say tam one settings na my ba akodi abeto ye de ne so so simple into install and activate after area me demo content ne so okay Mia sa answer the most important so. Okay, video we say yawa. Mamefa we nso ensi ha. Na yenhwe in the next video no sene ye be import website no e aba yen domain anase yen website ne so na yetumi use no successfully. Okay, it's so simple. Into the ma yembra back na yenhwe no.